Ah, the virtual world. Sure has changed the way we do things, dramatically. The internet has given us, well, freedom. It's now easier than ever to stay in touch with friends the world over. With new ways of storing and organizing data, our stuff is always within arm's reach. Aspiring filmmakers and pet owners alike have the ability to share their creativity and entertain us all. We can educate ourselves and each other about almost anything, from almost anywhere. J.C.R. Licklider dreamed up the idea of an intergalactic computer network almost 50 years ago. But it wasn't until the rise of the internet that such a thing was able to really take shape. He was talking about cloud computing, and we're finally on the cusp of its golden age. In the late 90s, companies began taking their software out of the box and into the cloud. Since then, cloud computing has come a long way, with help from a variety of players. Companies like Amazon continue to redefine what's possible in the cloud. With Web 2.0 becoming an integral part of our online lives, the cloud's adoption continues to grow. Every day, more businesses of all shapes and sizes are joining the cloud. Unless you've been living under a rock, you're in the cloud. Every time you check your email online, you're in the cloud. Every time you tend to your crops, you're in the cloud. Every time you share your thoughts, you're in the cloud. How else are we using the cloud? Well, besides email and catching up with friends, we're storing and editing photos, creating documents, backing up our stuff, sharing videos, and doing it all from practically anywhere. There are an ever-growing number of applications delivered through the cloud called Software as a Service, or Saas, and a multitude of apps being built in the cloud using Paas, or Platform as a Service. Working together, they bring us internet-based computing, allowing freedom and mobility like never before. As cloud computing continues to grow, so does the realm of what's possible. We're living in an exciting time, so let's embrace the freedom that cloud computing gives us, and let's use it to free our minds and discover what's to come. Shall we?